Happy at home.
Welcome to Happy at Home. I'm Angie Happie Liu, and this is our cardio kickboxing series. I'm going to be going through 2 moves, and then we're going to do a combination of those moves for that ultimate burn. Remember, there's 3 levels, so you can do the level that you feel most comfortable with, and you can always complete, repeat, or combine any of the series workouts. I still want you to suck in that belly button, close that rib cage, and squeeze that tush, even though we're going to be on our feet the entire time. So let's get kicking. In today's video, we're going to be doing a back fist into a side thrust kick combo. I'm going to be demonstrating the most basic version of these moves, so follow along as best as you can, especially as we advance levels. Okay guys, so for our back fist, I'm going to go into my fighting stance position again, one foot in front of the other, my right foot's in front of my left. I'm going to show you the profile here. Fighting stance with your fists up, covering your jaw, elbows protecting your ribs here. I'm going to point my elbow to the target. The target can be low, high, or middle. I'm going to focus in the middle section here, about shoulder height. Point your elbow to the target, and you're just going to back fist, retract it right back into fighting stance position. I'm also kind of leaning into that. It's just a little tap this way. Boom. I'm leaning into it. Good. And then for side thrust kick, pay attention to the feet. This is really important. You're going to be in that fighting stance position again. I'm going to be doing my right leg first. Make sure you coil your knee into your chest. Your foot is flexed. When you kick, your heel is going to be up, your toes are going to be down. I'm coiling my knee into my chest like this. If you need to grab onto something for balance, that's fine too. This bottom foot, the supporting leg, is going to pivot, and I'm going to kick my leg out, coil it back, and place it down. So you're coiling it in, kicking, heel up, toes down, bend the knee back in into the coil, back into fighting stance position. Remember, stomach in, squeeze the cheek of the supporting leg. I'm coiling, kicking, coiling back, putting the leg back down. Remember, you're kicking with the heel of the foot, not the toes, not the ball. It's a heel kick, a side thrust kick. And kick as high or low as you feel comfortable. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, round 1, level 1, back fist. Remember, you're pointing your elbow towards the target, and you're just leaning and just back fisting, retracting the arm right back. We're gonna do this for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna switch. Good. Lead with that elbow, back fist, retract, good. I'm just leaning with my body, nice, good. Sucking in the stomach, rib cage is still closed, good. And my arms in the position where my elbows are protecting my rib cage, my fists protecting my jaw. Switch sides, lean back fist, lean back fist, lean back fist. Elbow, elbow, elbows pointing towards the target, lean. Breathe out as you punch, retract it, good. Stomach in, almost there guys. Leaning, back fist, really quick. Good, here we go, at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work. Round 2, level 1, we're doing the side thrust kick. Remember, you're coiling, thrusting, coiling, putting it back down. Boom, good. Coiling it in. Watch my footwork here. Coiling, thrusting, kicking with the heel of the foot. Good. Arms are still up, protecting yourself. Good. You can start out kind of low on this round. Good. But make sure you pivot that back leg, and you're doing the coil, and you're coiling back to put it down. Switch sides. Good. Coil kick, coil down. Coil kick, coil down. Coil kick, coil down. Coil kick. Make sure to thrust with that heel. Good. Toes down. Heel up. Nice. Coil kick. You can keep the kick low. Squeeze the cheek of that supporting leg. You're almost there, guys. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, round 3, level 1. You're doing a combo, back fist, side thrust kick, back fist, side thrust kick, back fist, coil kick, coil down, back fist, coil kick, coil down, go, boom, kick, elbow, thrust, elbow, thrust, elbow, thrust. You got it, come on. When you kick, make sure you're keeping the toes down and you're kicking with the heel. Switching sides, here we go. Back fist, coil kick, back fist, side thrust, back fist, Side thrust. Remember, you can always kick lower. Kick. Make sure you're pivoting that bottom foot even during the combo. I'm leaning, I'm coiling, kicking, leaning. Good. Come on, guys, you're doing great. Push, boom, thrust, thrust kick, thrust kick, thrust kick, yes. All right, guys, round 1, level 2, you're just gonna do a back fist 4 times. That's 3, that's 4, switch, 1, leaning, 2, elbow, 3, 4, and switch, 1, 2, 3, 4, switch sides and lean. Back fist, retract it back really quick, good, switch, 1, 2, 3, stomach in, 4, switch sides, 1, 2, lean into it, boom, boom, switch sides again. Stomach in and rib cage closed, good. At all times, thank you guys, and switch, 2, 3, 4, switch sides and in. My target just got a little taller right there. Reach, reach, reach back fist, good, switch sides, back fist, switch sides, go. Good. 3, 4, and switch. 2, 3, 4, again, and switch. 2, 3, nice. Round 2, level 2, side thrust kick 4 times. Coil thrust kick, down. That's 3, that's 4, switch sides, here we go. Coil thrust, coil thrust, coil thrust. Mind this foot, keep looking at it, pay attention, coil thrust. That bottom leg, it's gotta pivot and go back into fighting stance each time. This is 4, switch sides, coil thrust kick, see that? Coil thrust kick, switch again. Coil thrust, feet back. Coil thrust, reset feet. Coil thrust, reset feet. Other side, coil thrust, down. Coil thrust, because now you're ready for something else. Good. Other side, here we go, coil. Coil thrust kick. Side thrust kick. Side thrust kick. Other side. One more. Nice work. Round 3, level 2, we're gonna do a combo. Back fist, coil thrust. 4 times. You're doing the combo. Switch sides, here we go. Back fist, coil thrust. Back, coil thrust. Back fist, coil thrust. Good. Switch sides again. Boom. Feet. Feet, lean. Feet. Switch sides. 2, 3, 4. Again. 2, coil thrust. 3. Come on, guys, you can do it. 4. I'm right here with you. Boom. Back fist, side thrust. Back fist, side thrust. Make sure you're coiling both ways. Good. Switch. 3. One more. 4. Nice. All right, guys, this is it. This is round 1, level 3. You're gonna shuffle into a back fist. Shuffle and slide. Good. I'm kind of like shuffling. I'm stepping and gliding. Stepping my front foot, gliding my back foot, and then I'm retracting back. Step slide, back fist, step slide. Stomach in, back fist. Other side, go. Watch my feet. I'm leaning, and then I'm gliding back. Step slide, step slide, step slide. Lean into it, back fist, lean into it, good. Come on, guys. We are on the last level. You can do this. Boom. Stomach in. Stay on the balls of the feet. And this is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yes, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2, level 3. You're gonna slide with the back foot. Coil thrust, coil slide back. Still coiling, still thrusting, still kicking with the heel. Kicking with the heel with the toes down. Coil thrust. But you're adding that little step slide. Good, you're doing great, guys. Come on, exhale. Thrust that kick. Rest that kick. Give me one more. Switch sides. Here we go. Watch my feet. Slide kick. Slide thrust kick. Slide thrust kick. Arms are up. Stomach in. Heel up, toes down. You're so there, guys. Kick. Kick. Come on, feet. Round 3, level 3. You're combining everything. You're gonna slide into the back fist. Coil thrust. Coil right back down. Stunning your opponent, then you're kicking them. Come on, feet. Come on, stomach. Stay on the bottom of the feet. Switch sides, here we go. Side thrust. Back fist coil there. Back fist coil, coil back there. This is it, guys, come on. Breathe out every time you punch and kick. Here we go. Come on, feet. You can do it. We did it! Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll see you on the next one.
Happy at home.